We are gonna have to have 2 ginormous cookies.
Today in the So Yummy kitchen, I welcomed Mia.
I think it requires my expertise.
We are creating a giant ice cream sandwich.
Lots of Breyers ice cream in the middle. I can't wait to show my mom.
Whoa! So Mia, what's your favorite dessert?
Definitely vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream. I like it. Right away, I could tell that Mia is a foodie. She is passionate about making dessert. She knows what she likes. She is all about being in the kitchen.
I love how creamy this is. It has 100% grade A milk and cream. Do you see those little specks in there? Those are the vanilla beans. That's what gives it all the flavor.
That's really cool. How'd you know that?
I'm smart.
So today, I was thinking you and I could spend the day making an amazing ice cream dessert for your mom.
I had a dream, and I was thinking of this huge ice cream sandwich, like huge.
Really?
And lots of Breyers ice cream in the middle. You have to help me though.
Okay, I'll help you. Mia drew out the ice cream sandwich exactly how she wanted to make it.
What if we had a salted caramel cookie for my mom? The other cookie will be chocolate hazelnut. We are gonna have to have 2 ginormous cookies.
I think you're right. Should we go to the So Yummy pantry to find some stuff?
Yep.
Let's do it. Come on in.
Wow.
This is what I get to work with every day.
Every day.
Every day. I get to come in here and I get to play with all of these things.
That's amazing.
Mia knew exactly what she wanted. We were able to come in with an exact list, and boy did she put me to work.
Can you get that salted caramel bits? Wait a second. We need vanilla ice cream. Whoa. I've never seen so much ice cream. Maybe just one more.
Looks perfect. Wow. Look at all these things we got.
I have a vision, and we're gonna make it happen.
I like it. You work on the chocolate hazelnut cookie, and then I'll work on the salted caramel cookie for your mom.
These are looking really good. Those are cool.
Those are cool, right? So to get a really perfect half and half cookie, we're actually gonna take this cake pan, pop it on top, and then you're gonna squish it down. Whoa! That is a perfect half and half cookie.
Yes, it is. You know, I'll do the next one. I think it requires my expertise.
You know, I'm used to being the boss in the kitchen.
Tess, you're a pretty good assistant.
Well, thanks. But when Mia came in here, she totally took over.
Look at that. These smell so good.
The main event, the ice cream. How many more scoops do you think we need?
Maybe like 10.
Whoa, 10 more?
Yo, it's gonna be a huge ice cream sandwich.
You're right.
Let's get the other cookie and squish it.
Ooh, look at that.
It looks perfect. Now we just need sprinkles.
I have a really cool trick for that.
That's a lot of sprinkles.
Wow, look at this.
It's making like a mark.
Yeah, look at that.
That is a beauty. This looks perfect. I can't wait to show my mom.
Come on in, guys.
Open your eyes.
Wow, how did you make this?
Well, it took a lot of work. A lot. There's half salted caramel.
I like salted caramel.
You, and half chocolate hazelnut.
Oh, you like chocolate hazelnut, I know that.
And a lot of Breyers Natural Vanilla. Kneading the dough was really hard.
Took lots of muscle. Nice. You got some.
That is good.
Oh, I know. Vanilla is the best with everything, huh? This is so good.
It has 100% grade A milk and cream in it.
How did you learn that?
It's on the box.
Wow. This is so incredible. I'm so proud of you.